Well, guys, I am so honored to be here this morning or noon or evening, wherever you are at around the world, as Nicholas said, um, because we have a brand new presentation we are unveiling. And I got the call from Nicholas and Francis asking if I would be the one to do it. And I was like, absolutely. So I am Dawn Marie, based out of Vegas, and I'm going to be your presenter for this overview. And I'm so excited to share with you about World Crypto Life. I'm going to give you an overview about our business model so you know who we are, what it is that we do, and ultimately what's in it for you. So why did I join World Crypto Life? Well, the truth is I almost didn't, because I, like many, was super resistant to crypto for over a decade. But then World Crypto Life showed up, and lucky for me, I listened to that small, still voice within me that said, this is the one, don't say no. So I just went with it and said yes. And now I can say 8 months later, I am so glad I did, because the stars aligned and it has been the best financial decision of my career. And it's only been 8 months. And I will say, without being braggadocious, believe you me, I have had success in my career. So that is saying something. So this information was life-changing information, and it could end up being life-changing for you. It could resonate with you and could be something that you've been seeking on so many levels. So do yourself justice and give this your full attention. Unplug from the distractions, put on do not disturb on your phone, and we will open up a question and answer segment at the end. So do write down your questions, and if they don't get answered, then type them in the chat at the end, and we will make sure we go through all of them. And before we get started, most importantly, let's thank the person that invited you to this, because they saw something real special in you. And I know that sounds so cliche, but really right now in post-COVID, or in the midst of it, so many things have changed and people are seeking answers. And like I said, for me, this has been an answer. So either you are a newbie, you are a crypto enthusiast, you are a builder, or you're a crypto expert. Whatever your level is, wherever you are on that scale, this is for you. So let's get started with the name of the company is World Crypto Life. And as it indicates, we are a global company, but that's just the start of it. And I want you to see this beautiful presentation that they put together. It's just gorgeous. So who is World Crypto Life? That's our acronym. At World Crypto Life, we created a way to bridge the gap between the crypto world and the real world, making it accessible, easy to use, easy to earn money, but most importantly, easy to spend and cash out. Because one of the dilemmas in the crypto space for the last decade has been useless tokens. So we solved that problem with our proprietary system, which includes a world-class crypto exchange platform, even faster than the big ones like Bittrex, Coinbase, and Binance. And it's built on the Ethereum 2.0 blockchain network. And because our sister company owns the exchange, they made sure they did everything right from start to finish. In addition, we're going to tell you about a very special global debit card that we can offer you that you can use anywhere and everywhere on the planet. So you're going to be able to convert your fiat currency, which just means that currency, those dollar bills or whatever your currency is around the planet, into cryptocurrency, and from cryptocurrency back into your local currency by using this very special global debit card we offer. In addition, you're going to have an opportunity to use these tokens and do online shopping. You can also do offline shopping with our affiliate companies. So you're going to be able to cash out or shop in a very secured account without restrictions whatsoever. And the best news is that hearing this information now, before we become a household name, gives you a very special opportunity to be an early adopter. So again, thank that person who thought enough of you to invite you here today. They saw a talent or desire in you and thought this could be a perfect match. Call them the matchmaker. So ask yourself, are you ready for a crypto life? style, because if you are, you get to use this whole lifestyle anytime you want to, anywhere you are, locally, globally. You can use it both online and offline, because our motto here is we're not about making another useless token. What good is a crypto token if you can never go out and buy a pair of shoes with it, or your groceries, or just practical day-to-day items? What good is it if it goes up in value, but you can't use it? So if you're ready for that, you're in the right spot. And if you're not ready for that, then I'm going to gently nudge you in the direction to say, be open to this crypto world, because this technology and blockchain, it is here to stay whether we like it or not. And habits die hard. Breaking out of comfort zones is not comfortable. We need to stretch ourselves. But the longer you wait to learn about this crypto world, the broader this knowledge gap will form. And you don't want to isolate yourself in the future. So this is perfect timing. And World Crypto Life demystifies the world of crypto, no matter where you are on that scale of the novice to the pro. You'll adapt to this new world. You get to go at your own pace, and we'll be with you every step of the way. And in the end, I almost can guarantee you, you're going to be happy like I was, that I went ahead and said yes and got my toe wet. We have something here that's very unique, and it's called our IMC token. And that simply stands for iMoney Crypto. So by now, I'm sure you've heard of Bitcoin. Probably you've heard of Ethereum and some of the other popular cryptocurrencies. Well, did you know there are over 10,000 different cryptocurrencies now? And we have our own. Now, we believe ours is a standout because so many of those 10,000 cryptocurrencies don't have any value or purpose. And for those of you that are more tech savvy, ours is an ERC20 working utility token, which falls into an asset class. The IMC token came to be after 3 years of fruition. We studied the industry, saw the needs, and created a standout alternative token that has an excellent use case, which simply means that you can do things with it. And best news, once you grab a World Crypto Live package, it is inclusive of IMC tokens. Then after they become unlocked, you get to choose your next action. We're going to give you the power of options. You can move them to the IM exchange, where you can shape shift IMC tokens into other cryptocurrency like Bitcoin, Ethereum, or you can cash out anywhere the Bank of America Global Debit Card is accepted. And if you like to shop, you can easily convert IMC tokens into G points and spend at our G point market. You're going to learn about this shortly. Bottom line, we're going to give you many options and let you choose what's best for you. Now, speaking of the IMC token, our current value through World Crypto Life is at 34 cents. And I just checked the website. Guys, we are at 96% sold for that price. What does that mean exactly? Well, World Crypto Live is the marketing arm of the IMC token, and we have been exclusively allocated 120 million of the total circulation of 300 million IMC tokens to sell. So each and every time World Crypto Live members sell 3 million tokens, and we get a wonderful discounted bulk rate, then that price increases 1 penny at a time. So we're at 96% now. When we hit 100%, that means the World Crypto Life price for the IMC token is going to move up to 35 cents. We are averaging now about selling 3 million a week. That means we're going to be moving up to 35 cents shortly, if not by the end of this presentation, or if it's already done so by now. Now, the most incredible news is the IMC token trading price on the public exchange, which is IM Exchange, is actually higher. It's currently at 45 cents. And as a World Crypto Life member, we exclusively get IMC tokens at discounted prices similar to an employee discount. IMC tokens are locked for 6 months and then released 10% every month thereafter. And although at first hearing this, it may sound like a bummer to have a lock on tokens, it's, however, quite the contrary. It's actually a safeguard to all of us. The lock avoids a common occurrence in the crypto space that has downed many a crypto company. It's called the pump and dump, and we just saw it happen to Bitcoin. Pump up the price and then dump the coins. Some of you have already done the math. You can get it through World Crypto Live for 35 cents, sell it on the exchange for 45 cents. That would be a smart move every single day of the week. But that is called pump and dump. And to preserve the value of the token, we lock them for 6 months and then release 10% each month thereafter. Now, think about it, guys. 6 months goes in a blink of an eye, and our stance for the IMC token is the acronym HODL, which means hold on for dear life versus engaging in day trading. We are not day traders. HODL just simply means hold on and see what happens to them over time. And by the way, when we say over time in the crypto world, we're just talking 2 to 5 years. I'm not a financial advisor. However, if history repeats itself with our closest crypto cousin that hit $300 in just 4 years, we may see over an 800% increase in less than 4 years. Now, past performance is not a guarantee of future performance, but we also know once a possibility is reached, it happens faster and faster. So case in point, running a mile under 4 minutes. No one had ever done it until 1954. And since then, over 1,400 talented athletes have done it. So that could be our future. The IM Exchange. Our IM Exchange is headquartered in the United States. World Crypto Life is the sister company of the IM Technology, who owns the IM Exchange. IM Technology could have picked anywhere in the world to register their exchange, but they went with the good old USA. That means safety and security to you. And we fall under the scrutiny of the regulators as a transparent American company. So you say, I get that we're in the United States, but why Wyoming of all states in the union? Well, did you know Wyoming is the most crypto-friendly state? Wyoming is also known as the state of innovation, and they decided to create new laws to invite crypto companies to their state. And we are proud to have an expert crypto attorney on our team that actually helped draft the legislation for new crypto laws for the state of Wyoming. So we were part of Wyoming crypto history, and we took Wyoming up on that invite. So we are registered in Wyoming. Now, the team building that took place to create the IM Exchange, they took initiative to analyze everything not working in the crypto space and to build a state-of-the-art exchange that offers faster transaction speeds to the crypto world while providing use case solutions. We even set up an alliance with a major global exchange as a backup plan. Our IM Exchange launched in November 2020, so we're under a year old. So if you have said to yourself, before in the past, when big things have happened, gosh, I wish someone would have just told me about this innovative idea before it became a household name. I would have ran with it and been in a pretty place by now. Well, we are telling you now, that's why your friend contacted you. Here is your chance. So for those of you that would like to do your due diligence, our white paper is available for anyone who wants to learn about our mission, vision, and follow the timeline of our rollouts. Just request it from the person that invited you, and they can get you that link. Next, we want to talk to you about a very important part of the IM Exchange that you're going to love, and it's called asset staking. Guys, this is a game changer. We now have asset staking, and this became available as of June 1st for unlocked IMC tokens. So what does this mean? It means that we can now loan out our unlocked IMC tokens on the IM Exchange and earn interest without ever having to sell our tokens for income. We are a transparent and decentralized company, and having asset staking gives us an enormous flexibility whether a person wants to loan or sell their cryptocurrency. Very cool. So let's talk a little bit about this Bank of America Global Debit Card. Here's some more information on it. So just by being a part of World Crypto Live, you are entitled to grab one of the Bank of America Global Debit cards. Now, if you're an American, that might not be a big deal for you because it's easy for us to be banked. But did you know that around the world, there is 1.7 billion people who are currently unbanked, and more each and every day are walking away from their banks. So we want a way for you to be able to utilize the network of Bank of America anywhere around the world Bank of America ATMs are. And it's like a business account. It comes with an account number and a routing number, but it's not a credit card. So you don't have to jump through a whole bunch of hoops for credit checks, just your typical KYC, which means know your customer. And we set up withdrawal limits of $1,000 a day. So you load it up from the IM exchange with unlocked tokens. And if you put 100,000 on it, you can withdraw up to $1,000 a day. You can shop with no limit. You can transfer with no limit. And if you want to get started, there is a $200 out of pocket to start. $100 is the annual fee, and the other 100 is going to be deposited directly onto your prepaid debit card. Immediately, you'll be able to use it even before the card comes in the mail. Very cool. So this is our Bank of America Global Debit Card, and it allows you to immediately utilize your IMC tokens once they're unlocked to start shopping. So you can be that globetrotter. Next, we want to introduce you to G Points. Now, this is something you're not going to want to forget, the word G Points. We have our own digital payment system called G Points. So with G Points, we have a tremendous ecosystem that's affiliated with local shops, which means they can start to accept G Points as a payment method in addition to cash and credit cards. Now, most businesses want to accept cryptocurrency for goods and services, but then they discover that it's way too volatile. So case in point, something like Bitcoin. Bitcoin can go up high one day and then down the next very low. And that kind of hit can devastate a small business. So in addition, and also another disadvantage to cryptocurrency as a whole has been that the transition time can take 2 hours to 2 days to authenticate and deliver. So that means you can't just go to Starbucks and buy a cup of coffee with it. So we created G Points, and this is our digital currency voucher. And this is our solution to being able to satisfy the consumer that wants instant transactions and immediacy. It converts instantly into fiat currency. And for those of you that have been involved with network marketing companies that pay you in crypto, for those people, you know, when you look in your back office, depending on what's going on with the cryptocurrency, your earnings are attached to the market cap. That means they can go up one day and go down the next. And when you withdraw earnings with crypto, you have to pay exorbitant gas fees. So our solution is G Points because it's stable and it doesn't fluctuate. It's connected to the US dollar. So 1 G point equals $1. That's so important, guys. And in addition, our processing fee is a meager 5% compared to crypto world gas fees that can exceed 20%. So when you cash out your G Points that are earned, you know that what you see in your back office today is what you're going to get tomorrow. You don't have to worry about it going all over the place. And we have the G Point market. And this is where you can go and purchase Rolex watches, nice suits, designer handbags, and electric cars possibly coming soon. We offer up to 50% discount on brand names. And in addition to the Bank of America Global Debit Card, we also have a G Point Visa through NetSpend. It is also a prepaid debit card that you can load from your G Points. You will be able to fund this through World Crypto Live with G Points and use it in the G Point market or anywhere that Visa is accepted. At the G Point Market, if you're not a member of World Crypto Life, you can buy anything there with credit cards. The public is invited to join us. But if you are a World Crypto Life member, you can also buy any product or service at G Point Market with your G Points. Now, this G Point Visa that we're offering, it's also a prepaid debit card. It's currently only available in the United States, and the startup fee is just $20. So wonderful, wonderful, wonderful. We are working on one similar to this that will be able to be utilized around the world at that same price point. So that's our G Point Market introduction. Now we have with the G Point Market, and the G Point Market is at gpointmarket.com. We offer affiliate marketing. So this is how it works, and it's a win-win-win for everyone, for the merchants, for World Crypto Life, and for the World Crypto Life members that decide to share the program. So first, the affiliate merchant puts their banner on gpointmarket.com, and a customer clicks the banner and then decides what products to purchase with G Points or with their credit card. The affiliate's going to share their profit of 22% with World Crypto Life, who will then disseminate it to those that are sharing the program and have become star leaders. For instance, if you happen to have a favorite coffee shop, you can introduce them to World Crypto Life, and they can start offering and accepting G Points as payment in addition to cash and credit cards. World Crypto Life will in turn expose them to a broader range of potential customers than they currently have. And for the local merchant, each G Point equals $1. So the conversion's really, really easy for them. They don't have to change their menus, and it's very stable for them. So they don't have to worry about the volatility of Bitcoin or other cryptocurrencies. So we're different because we convert to G Points, our own currency, which is fixed to the US dollar. G Points are always going to be tied to the US dollar, so the merchant can feel a comfort level that is really high and accept payment for products and know that it's going to be the same. And we have a directory that's coming out, an app that's going to show you where you can find local businesses in your neighborhood that accepts G Points. So our future is very bright with the affiliate program. Next, we have the World Crypto Life Travel Club. This is our newest affiliate product to offer. And did you know before COVID hit in 2019, the travel industry was over an $8 trillion industry. So you can imagine as the floodgates are open, everyone wants to start traveling safely. They're tired of being stuck at home. So World Crypto Life wanted to create a private travel club with exclusive wholesale pricing with the largest inventory, including luxury 5-star travel. This is wholesale travel for the largest inventory of flights, hotels, and resorts, cars, cruises, vacation rentals, and excursions. So if you love to travel, you can optionally enroll in our World Crypto Life Travel Club for just $49.95 G Points per month. Remember here, we're all about the G Points. Next, let's talk about our G Point ecosystem. When you decide that you want to register for World Crypto Life, registration is free, and it's easy as 1, 2, 3. First, you're going to register for free. Your sponsor will, or person who invited you will give you a link for you to sign up. And then once you sign up, the first thing you're going to do is set up your profile, and then you're going to decide what you want to purchase, how many G Points you want to be able to purchase from your currency, from the US dollar, from your fiat currency. And once you have G Points in your back office, then you decide what to do with them. We have many options. And guys, again, we're just less than a year old. And look at all of the options already that we have, and more coming. So you can buy a World Crypto Life package. and be part of our World Crypto Life referral program. You could opt in for that World Crypto Life travel we just talked about. You could join the G Point Marketplace and set up a G Point wallet, get a net spend debit card to purchase from G Points, from the G Point market or outside merchants too. And one of the other partners is that IM exchange. So you'll be able to use the Bank of America debit card for those that are interested. So we're just not another cryptocurrency business. We are a full-fledged, robust marketing platform featuring the IMC token, World Crypto Life travel. We have some great things coming aboard, the crypto education modules that will be at the G Point market that you can purchase with your G Points. So there's many parts of our ecosystem. In addition, one of the things I absolutely love is that you can gift G Points to other members. So if anybody that is a World Crypto Life member, for free, we can send G Points back and forth no matter where they are around the world. And then those people can utilize that to fund a package, or if they want to cash it out, however they want to do it. So we make it easy for the masses. We make it accessible, and it's easy to gift G Points or move the funds to the G Point market and go shopping. So how do you get started? Well, we cater to 3 customer types that are interested in World Crypto Life memberships. First, we have consumers that are interested in the retail side and desire to shop and save. Second, we have team builders who want to help us get the word out and are looking at the big picture for affiliate earnings and residual income. And we also then have those that are only interested in accumulating cryptocurrency. So whatever your goal, we can accommodate you so you get in where you fit in. And these are all optional. You can mix and match to your heart's content. I personally do all 3. And as you can see here, we offer 7 packages starting at $100 all the way up to $25,000. Oops. And each person or company can set up a maximum of 3 accounts for $25,000 each. Each package creates a certain amount of corresponding point volume or team volume, which is awarded to your enroller. And if you decide to share, you will be awarded PV when you or your team enrolls a new member that purchases a World Crypto Life package too. Want to hear an incredible option? You get to upgrade at any time just by paying the difference without any penalties. So if right now you wanted to join and do the bronze member level, but then 3 hours later say, oh my God, shoulda, woulda, coulda, I should have done the silver, you can upgrade as many times as you want without penalty. And that's huge in this industry and the industry as a whole. So many times companies are going to charge you penalties just because you didn't make the decision. There's a big pressure to get in a bigger package. Now, there is incentives to the bigger packages, but you get in where you fit in. We don't want you to bet the farm. So upgrade anytime you want, at any time without penalty. You can do it over time with several steps or in one. And icing on the cake, IMC tokens are inclusive with our World Crypto Life membership packages. And there are no setup fees. There are no monthly fees. There are no annual renewal fees. So you're not going to get bogged down by that. If you spend any more money, it's just because you've chosen to upgrade. Exciting.